Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Does your iPhone screen seem to have a mind of its own? In today's video, I'll show you guys on how to fix Ghost Touch on iPhone. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. Restarting an iPhone can refresh the settings to make it work better. Press and hold volume down and the sleep button at the same time until you get an option to slide to power off appears on your screen, and turn it on after a few seconds. Usually, a reboot is able to most of the bugs. Method 2. Force restart your iPhone. If restarting isn't work, you can try this for iPhone 8 or later models. Press and quickly release the volume up and down buttons successively, then press and hold the side button. Let it go when you see the Apple logo. Then check your iPhone out. Method 3. Reset all settings. Sometimes trying resetting all your settings also help. Go Settings, General. Scroll down to the bottom. Transfer or reset iPhone. Reset. Reset all settings. And again, tap Reset all settings to confirm the action. This will not erase your data. It will simply reset your personalization settings. Method 4. Check for update. If you prefer not to revert your settings, go to Settings. Head over to Software Update and check if there's an update available for your iPhone. An out-of-date operating system can cause compatibility issues. So if your Ghost Touch problems are related to a bug, updating iOS will fix the problem. Method 5. Fix iPhone using iTunes. One of the best free and safe ways to fix your iPhone is through iTunes or Finder. I will use Finder as an example. Connect your device to your Mac using a USB or USB-C cable. In the Finder on your Mac, select the device in the Finder sidebar. Click General in the button bar. Click Restore iPhone, then follow the on-screen instructions. It'll be downloading the firmware first, and after that, the update should be in process. If you are using iTunes, the process should be same. Okay, this is the tutorial for this issue. You can tell us in the comment section if there is a better way or which method you prefer. See you in the next video.